I'm sure if you're watching this video, Roblox is a name you've heard before. If not, Roblox is one of the world's most popular games across all platforms, with an estimated 164 million active monthly users, and it's showing no signs of slowing down as it continues to consume new generations of kids. The gaming company, also called Roblox Corporation, was founded by David Baszucki, a software engineer by trade, and Erik Cassel, a software developer by trade in 2004. Since the founding of the company, the sky has been the limit for the company. In March 2021, the company went public and is now publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange. In 2021, Roblox had generated $923 million in revenue from various sources. This amount of continued and sustained revenue shows how much of a powerhouse the game is amongst its peers. Welcome to NBD Reels, and thanks for joining me again for another episode. Before we get into the episode, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you do hit that subscribe button, and please make sure notifications are turned on so that you don't miss any future uploads. Also, this episode will be available as an audio on whatever podcast platform you use. So what is Roblox? I'm sure if you have young kids or younger siblings, you have heard of this game, which some people argue is essentially a metaverse, but that's another video for another day. Roblox was the brainchild of David Baszucki and Erik Cassel. It's a multiplayer online game platform and game creation system that allows users to design their own games and play a wide variety of different types of games created by other users. The platform is primarily aimed at children and teenagers and allows users to interact with each other through the games and virtual worlds that they create. The platform is available on a variety of different devices, including PC, Xbox, mobile, and VR, of which of course increases the reach of the app to users around the world. The game has also received praise from all corners of the gaming industry when it launched, because it was a game that encouraged its young audience to refine their skills in game development whilst having fun so that they can make their own games on the platform and potentially earn money. Roblox has more than 164 million monthly active users, of which each of these users is spending an average of about 2 hours per day on the platform. As you can imagine, scenes such as these from the game over the years have become a staple on the internet.
Somebody explain to me how this flying can fly like this, but I can't. What do he need to do to get that? You paid for that shit? You was boosting on here or something?
What's the big deal? Oh my god! What is the big deal, Mateo?
But like any successful business, they are humble beginnings to what we know now. The game officially launched in 2006, and since then, the platform's user base has grown steadily over the years. Some of the platform's success can be attributed to a number of factors, including its user-friendly game creation tools, which allows independent developers to create games within the platform. The platform also offers a wide variety of games available within the platform itself. One of the other key features within Roblox, which is quite a simple implementation, is the platform's emphasis on community and social interaction. The platform's appeal to children and teenagers has also been a major contributor to its growth. In this part of the episode, we'll take a look at some of the controversies that have involved the platform over the years. One of the main controversies that have emerged from the Roblox platform is what has been described over the years as the unethical practices the company deploys when it comes to paying game developers on the platform. In 2020, it is reported that the equivalent of $250 million was paid out to developers on the platform. Note, I have used the word equivalent, and the reason for using this word is because developers on the platform are paid using the in-game currency, also known as Robux. The main issue with the gaming company paying their developers using the in-game currency is, if creators want to convert their Robux into cash, they would have to either sign up to a platform created by Roblox called the Developer Exchange or DevX, and in doing so, they'll lose a further cut off the 29% that they've earned if they want to trade in their Robux for real money. So as you can imagine, as a creator, not wanting to lose a further cut of their earnings, another method creators have turned to in order to turn their earnings into cash without losing any more of their earnings is using the black market. Yes, you heard that right. There is a black market for Robux. Once anything is labelled with the word black market, you know there are going to be some unsavoury characters looking to pounce and take advantage of people. Adding to this, the amount the platform pays their developers is only 29%, as mentioned earlier, from each dollar that's generated. That amount is low and extremely low compared to other gaming companies in the same lane, such as Steam and Epic Games. Another controversial aspect of the game is the exposure of bad language and other forms of profanity children come across on the platform. Though the game is targeted at children and pre-teens, adults have found their way onto the platform, and some of these adults that have been on the platform have turned out to be bad actors. In recent years, the company has put in features in place within the platform in an effort to try and protect the masses of children that use the platform. As you can expect, with a game this popular, this popularity will bring some world records with it. And as part of the episode, we'll take a look at some of the world records the game has broken over the years. The game holds the record for the most concurrent players online in one game at one given time. In January 2020, the game Adopt Me on the Roblox platform set a record for the most concurrent players online on a single game, with over 1.5 million players playing at the same time. It also holds the record for the most popular virtual event ever. In 2020 again, Roblox hosted the virtual BloxCon, which attracted over 1 million concurrent users, making it the most popular virtual event in the platform's history. The next three records are records relating to the platform alone. The first one being the most popular game on the Roblox platform is called Adopt Me, and this game has 17.5 billion visits to date. And the next record is the most Robux earned by a single game were earned by Welcome to Bloxburg, which earned over 1.6 billion Robux, which is the in-game currency. And the final record is in relation to a single player to have earned the most Robux on the platform, and that user was LinkMon99 at the time of recording this video, who earned over 100 billion Robux, making him the wealthiest player on the platform. These records are most likely going to change as the platform and its games continue to evolve. Also, the introduction of games in the future that may have the ability to surpass these world records that have been set by Roblox. In conclusion, I can say Roblox will continue to be wildly successful in the space that it occupies, and it will continue to evolve. New generations of gamers will continue to flock to the platform based on how the game is targeted at a specific demographic. Sadly, one of the founders, Erik Cassel, passed away back in 2013 after a battle with cancer, and today David Baszucki has continued on as the CEO with an estimated net worth of $2.5 billion. The game has moved on from being just a game and has turned into a cultural phenomenon. You now have Roblox movies, you have creators on YouTube that solely focus on creating content based on the game and that game alone. You have merchandise being sold in most countries around the world. I think it's safe to say that Roblox is a success. Thanks for watching, and I will see you back here in the next episode.